Hello, this is Steven from shortseasongarden.com, and I'm going to make a couple raised beds out of this 95 liter or 25 gallon barrel. So I've got my jigsaw and I've started to cut this barrel, and we're going to cut it in two and we're going to put it on a couple platforms. So here we have it. We've got the barrel in two pieces, and now we're going to make a platform to put these barrels on. Now it's also important to have drainage holes in the bottom of your barrel. Okay, so I don't want to bore you with the faces I make while running a tape measure and a skill saw, so I'm just going to show you the finished product of each step. First, you measure the length of the barrel, and you cut two pieces of 2x4 to length and tack them in place with just a couple of screws. Just tack them in place for now. Okay, then you measure and cut your two end pieces to come flush with the outside edges of the long pieces. Screw the 2x4s together to make a box. Don't fasten the end pieces to the barrel for now, but just to the long pieces. You may have to back the screws off holding the barrel in place to make the 2x4s square with each other. Decide how high you want to make your raised bed and cut the legs and screw them in place. Since I'm quite tall, I made my legs 3 feet long, but you can pick whatever length you like. Now flip the whole thing upside down and measure across the legs from one side to another. Cut two pieces of 2x4 and screw them in place against the bottom of the barrel to support its weight. If your floor is nice and level, you can use a level to make sure they're square. And then finally, turn the whole thing back right side up and cut braces to solidify the legs. Now, since we've only tacked the barrel in place with 4 screws, you can easily remove the barrel and paint or stain the whole assembly before you permanently install the half barrel with screws. For ideas of what to plant in your raised bed, go to shortseasongarden.com, and also please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until next time, have fun gardening in Zone 3.